Weche moko en ni duond gonendo kata od buche Senet koroni to wuok oko kendo semokalo Gavanas ma pacho kaendi makoroni to ok osebedo ka chopo e nyim kamati ma opogore opogore e chenro mar dhoge kotende koda ka gisebedo ka gitiyo koda omenda mag jopiny katelnegi koda jalup spika e od gonendo mano mar Senet koroni to gibuogo mar biro kawo okang' moreto ne Gavanas ma kamago mano ka oriwo timonegi nonro koda dulo nogo man mochung'ne kedo kod mibadhi e pacho kaendi Ethics and Anti-Corruption Commissioner kaachiel koda dulo nogo mano mar okwach kich DCI.
Ask which type of curtains are these? If you did housewarming with 5 million, how can you do housewarming with the public funds? So these are the issues, and the governors, we have told them, audit issues are not a collective responsibility. Audit queries emanate from certain county government. So it is not a collective responsibility. If you invite them from Mombasa County Governor and you don't appear, you cannot go mobilizing the whole council of governors not to appear, because it is a responsibility of that particular governor to answer audit queries. I said we met last week because they requested for a meeting with the Senate leadership led by the Speaker and ourselves, majority side, minority leadership, so that we can run out all issues that they feel they need to be addressed. But appearing before committees is not an option. Even if they protest 1 million times, appearing to the Senate committees is not an option.
You see, we all chose to do certain jobs, and those jobs come with certain responsibilities. If you chose to become a governor, we give you resources. Currently, we are giving them more than 400 billion shillings, and in return, they need to account for it. This Senate is committed to increasing the allocations to county governments. I think in the budget policy statement, we have proposed a very significant increase to the money that goes to the counties. So the least we expect from the governors is, as we give them resources, they need to account to the people. It's not just accounting to the Senate. Coming to the Senate is not accounting to the Senate. It's accounting to the people. So you cannot choose to pay a fine of 500,000 and not account to the people. That means that you're not serious about the job that you're doing. But the courts have made it clear. Conservatory orders that had been issued in a Kiambu court were quashed last week. And after we made our report and recommendations to the House, which were adopted on 31st of March, we have 30 days to start following up on implementation. So after 30 days, which shall be from the 1st of May, we shall proceed to the next level of forwarding files to the EACC, forwarding files to the DCI, calling the DPP to commence prosecution of those governors who are in contempt of Parliament, and also asking the Inspector General of Police to produce those governors who have been adamant. So the law is clear. The law has not changed. Any person under Article 125 can be called before Parliament. It does not matter whoever it is. And so we are confident that we are on the right side of the law. The courts are with us. The Inspector General of Police has reaffirmed that he will produce any governor that is required. And we are not doing this out of malice.